Urutaus are nocturnal birds restricted to the warmest regions of the New World, belonging to the genus Nyctibius and the family Nyctibiidae. It is also called mother of the moon and stump mend. A fossil of Nyctibius griseus is known from the Pleistocene of Lapa de Escrivaninha, Lagoa Santa, Minas Gerais. The Urutau is a bird with nocturnal habits. Its food basically consists of insects that it catches in mid-flight, especially large ones, but it can eat other small animals, such as bats, lizards and small birds. It is a bird that uses its plumage very well to camouflage itself. It usually passes through a piece of wood, a tree branch or even broken or standing trunks. It tends to stay static, not getting scared easily. Reaches up to 37 centimeters off the tail. It is not a species used to urban living. Popular beliefs. The Urutau is considered noble by rural residents because it symbolizes strength and the way it protects itself from dangers and predators. The bird, for its song, figures among several legends. According to the Urutaus, the Urutau appears at the time the moon rises and its sad song is similar to it was. A legend says that the bird would be a woman who had lost her love. For this reason, he would be called the ghost bird. Others say that the song of the bird is an omen or warning of the death of a family member.